Hello out there. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Thank you for taking time out to watch this video. I hope you find the video useful. So in this video I'll be showing you in simple step how to run a correlation analysis in Microsoft Excel. So by way of introduction, now this is just the data for the purpose of this analysis alone, nothing more. Alright, so first off, you want to know why the choice of correlation analysis. When do you do correlation analysis? Now you run a correlation analysis when you have two continuous variable, right? Like you want to see how they correlate, or two discrete variable as the case may be, or two continuous variable. So that's when you run a correlation analysis. You want to see the relationship between the two variables. So I will run that using, for the purpose of this tutorial, revenue and operating cost. I want to see the correlation between the revenue and the operating cost. So to do that, I'll come to data analysis. This is correlation. Okay, so the input range, that is where the two variables of interest. So I'll click this, so I select this revenue and the operating cost. That's the two variable of interest. Okay, then label first row. Yes, I have labels in my first row. Now the output, do I want the output in this sheet or do I want it in a new sheet? So I want it in a new worksheet, so I'll just leave it as default and click on OK. So yeah, so this is the result of the correlation analysis. So correlation between operating cost and revenue. So we see that we have a 98% correlation. First off, it is a positive correlation, and secondly, they are strongly correlated, 98%. What that means is that as the operating cost increases, the revenue will also increase, and that's just what it is. Since it's a positive correlation, so it means they are moving the same way positively. You can, let me see, you can run, let me delete this sheet. So I don't have several sheets. I can also do, okay, this is another analysis. Okay, you can have more than one variable, right? More than one variable. So let me see the correlation between revenue, operating costs, labor costs, and wages. So let me see the correlation between them. So come to alright, so again I come to data analysis, correlation. Say okay. So let me select the range. The range is from here, labor, wages. So I've highlighted all the range. Yes, of course, label. Then if you want it in this sheet, you can actually click on the sheet, then you scroll. You have to go to where you want it to be on the sheet, where you want the result to show. So that's me wanting to show the analysis in this sheet. So you see the sheet is already very busy. Okay, but I can still add that. Okay, that's if I don't want it on a new sheet, so I click here. So that's where I want the result to start showing from, and I'll say okay. Right, so you see that here it's not on a new sheet. So let's look at the individual correlation. So you see, okay, yes, revenue, this will be perfect. Now operating cost and revenue is 98%, just like it was before. Labor and revenue is 98%, wages is also 98%, and they all have a strong positive correlation, as taking revenue now as a dependent variable while the rest as independent variable. If I also want to compare operating cost and labor, I want to compare labor and operating cost, 98% correlation. I want to compare wages and operating cost, you see 98% correlation. I want to compare wages and labor. So these are the various correlation, but from the result we see that this is a strong positive correlation between the data set. Alright, so that's just how you run your correlation analysis in Excel. Now please, if you like this video, if you find it useful, kindly do well to subscribe to my channel, or share the link to others to also benefit from, and refer to my channel. Leave comments in the comment section, let us interact, and probably if you have challenge or other kind of analysis you want us to do, you want to see, suggest analysis, so that we try and share knowledge with each other. Okay, let me also see. Okay, you can, okay, let me also try using, that's a discrete variable. Let me try using a continuous variable. Let me see the correlation between efficiency and profitability. Yes, that's also, these are continuous variable. The difference between continuous and discrete variable. So let me just quickly do that. I say you can do that with a continuous variable and with a discrete variable. So let me try to show what it looks like with a continuous variable. So I want to attempt for efficiency and profitability. I want to see if there's a correlation. Give me my result in a new sheet. Yes. Okay. Aha. So this is another correlation analysis showing the correlation between profitability and efficiency. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Like I said, do well to subscribe, hit the like button,